Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Casa Mila La Pedrera tickets online. This is a very simple thing to do, and to be able to skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can just go ahead and purchase the tickets online using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. Once you open up that link, it's going to take you to the official tickets page right here. From where we can get started with clicking this check availability option that's going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates we can purchase the tickets for. So you're going to see all the dates right here. You're going to have, let's say, the 10th. I'm going to select that date, and then we can go and select the time slot. Let's say this time slot right here suits us the best. We can go and take a look at all the types of tickets we have. Let's say only one adult ticket, and then we can click next to go to the next page where we can see similar experiences. If you're not interested in those, just click no thanks and click next to go to the personal details page. Here you're going to fill out all your personal details such as your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at what to do after this. You're just going to click the next button, and it's going to open up the payment method page, where as you can see, you're going to see all the payment methods you can use for purchasing those tickets. You're going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Let's say you want to use debit and credit card. So by clicking debit and credit card is going to enable us to fill out all personal info right here for the credit card. So once you've done so and click the pay button, it's going to enable you to purchase those tickets, and then those tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your tickets account. Once you've done so, this is how to get your tickets and how to use them. So go into the description of this video, find the first link you see, and it's going to take you to the tickets page right here from where you can get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.